Hello traders, in this video we will talk about the market update for today. It was 11th of March 2025, and starting with the gold 15-minute chart. Okay, so first of all, we have seen a bullish pressure on gold today, and you can see we have the three buy levels that appeared, buy opportunity levels appeared on our chart, and this was our selling opportunity. However, if we look at the filter trend indicator, then our this indicator was turned bullish based on the 4 hour chart, and then we have seen the significant upward momentum in the market. Okay, so overall this indicator has predicted the move before the time. And one more thing, if you want to get the lifetime assess of these indicators, my bank indicator, swing trading guru indicator, then check the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video, and you can book the lifetime versions. Okay, if we go to Great Britain Pound JPY, then you can clearly see that right now the higher time frames are bullish, and already the market has went bullish, but this is just a scalping chance that you can avail on Great Britain Pound JPY. Overall, it was a bullish day for that pair. Okay, so similarly with the pound USD, you will realize one thing: the 4 hour was bullish, and we have seen a significant upward momentum in the market. Okay, similarly, I'm just going step by step, and I will do the things fastly. Okay, the Euro USD, you can see the bullish trend was there on 1 hour and 4 hour, and we have seen a bullish level, and right now the market is in selling opportunity, but we normally trade with the trend according to our peers. Let's have a look on USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD has received a bullish pressure from the 4 hour chart, and you can see it went up, but there was a sell opportunity level here that stopped its growth, and the price was rejected from this level, right? Okay, so overall, this indicator predicts very good levels for you. Okay, right now, just look at this thing. This is the perfect type of entries where the 4 hour and the 1 hour is bearish, and you got a sell opportunity chance on the market turning points indicator, and this is the perfect way. In this way, you can exactly target so this the lower points that are available at the buying area. So this is bearish for now. Okay, so similarly, let's have a look on Australian dollar USD. Australian dollar USD, similarly, you can see the higher time frames are bearish. So this is the best point to enter short into the trading market right now. Okay, similarly, if we talk about the bank nifty, let's see that how it has performed today. Overall, remained bearish because the higher time frames were bearish, and there was a selling opportunity. The market has consolidated here, and after that, we have seen the significant drop. Let's talk about US 30. US 30 is on the way towards the downward trend. It's already must be rejected from the top somewhere here. So this is bearish so far. We don't have any bullish signs. If we look at US 30 is also, look, another block that is building into the bearish side. So this is bearish right now. So completely bearish because the higher time frames are bearish as well. Let's have a look on Bitcoin today. Okay, so Bitcoin, the higher time frames are bearish, and right now the selling block is appearing. It's not fixed because the candle is in formation right now, but overall looks like that things can turn bearish because the higher time frames are bearish right now. So keep an eye on Bitcoin. It can go down in the next coming hours. Okay, so if you look at Sol USDT, the market is bearish and it is already rejected. So just keep an eye because the cryptos are not good right now. They are into the bearish trends. So overall, the bearish momentum is seen right now into the cryptos. So be careful. The market can go back into the trend that it has already set up. So guys, this is all about this indicator. We use two indicators: the market turning point indicator and the filter trend indicator for our analysis. And if you want these indicators on your screen, you can contact on Telegram, you can email us. The links are given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much.